What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Let's Prop In. If this is your first time here, I go by the name of Spear. What we do on this channel is that we explore and showcase some of the most beautiful homes in and around South Africa. Today, we are back in Camps Bay, looking at this gorgeous 3-bedroom penthouse with a pool which is 25 meters long, a full length pool, which is something that we've never seen before on this channel. Before we get into this tour, massive thank you to Knox Property for giving us this opportunity to share their listing with you guys. This is a short-term stay property, so I'll put the booking details down in the description. As always, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, comment down below and let us know which areas you'd like us to tour next. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's prop in.
Never felt this hot before, giving us something that's taboo. Give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I'm in love with you. You give me the sweetest taboo. So I'm gonna make you just good for me. Give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I'm in love with you. You give me the sweetest taboo. So I'm gonna make you just good for me.
Right, so as we begin this tour, entering this gorgeous penthouse, we're greeted by this very large timber door leading you to this landing area. Before we go into too many details, in the main area, so the ocean just draws your eye and the view just draws your eye to the view. But before we get there, I'd like to point out this beautiful powder room here. You have this gorgeous wallpaper, sort of boundary or hedging this entire space, almost look like Jackson Pollock painting throughout this entire wallpaper. Very stunning. It adds a little bit more detail and color, pop of color to the space. Then you get this very large mirror here. Beautiful seamless finish to this countertop space. And I love the way they integrated this countertop material into the sink itself. Very seamless, and then you also get your Hansgrohe tap fixture and mixer. Coming towards you guys and looking at this beautiful moment here, you look up and you see this gorgeous skylight, bringing you that ton of natural lighting into this area here, creating a beautiful moment here. As you will see throughout this space really takes advantage of natural lighting and incredible views by incorporating floor to ceiling sliding doors that open all the way, bringing that lovely draft into this entire space. So as we move this side, you have this beautiful console area here. It's all about textures in this penthouse. You have the textured sort of timber work throughout this console and flows seamlessly onto this beautiful, fully equipped modern kitchen. Bringing you guys this side, you get the seamless finish to this countertop or this real estate. Such a large countertop here with the seamless finish, that minimalist look throughout the entire kitchen. You have more cabinetry space and joinery work here, open shelving, and I really love this sort of marble backsplash that they have this side and also on the top side of this entire console area. And then you have open shelving, sink, basin lids, as well. It's integrated with this countertop, creating that seamless look to this entire space. This side you have fully integrated Miele appliances. You have everything that you really need for a short-term stay, and then you have this beautiful contemporary suspended light fixture above us. Very stunning. I love the fact that the positioning of this kitchen almost takes advantage of this incredible view. While you are cooking here, while you are serving people, you're not left behind in terms of enjoying the view, enjoying the sunset. In front of us, you have the Atlantic Ocean, and then you do have some of the views of the beach in front of us. Bringing you guys here, and you have this private or separate scullery pantry area here, and the fact that this pantry area has marble backsplash throughout, very impressive. Very cool details. There's LED lighting strip underneath this open shelving. Very nice detail there. And here you have your laundry facilities sorted out there. Then bring you guys here to the first bedroom. But before we go into the first bedroom, just pointing out the floor finish. You have this beautiful timber finish throughout the entire main area, and then behind in the kitchen, it changes to this gorgeous tile finish. And then here it does the countertop does offer sort of a breakfast bar area, and then this beautiful console here. So leading you here to this first bedroom, floor to ceiling, very large scale door frame leading you to this bedroom. All the bedrooms in this penthouse are king size bed. This is the only one that has two single beds put together. But as you can see here, the amount of natural lighting pouring into the space is incredible. You have these large frame aluminium windows which do open up and give you this incredible view of the ocean from this room. The orientation of the rooms keep on changing and take advantage of different angles to the view. Cabinetry space here for a short-term stay. This is more than enough. Then leading you guys this side, this is where the bathroom is. Very high quality finishes throughout the entire space. Here you have this seamless countertop here with this very neat and soft closed cabinetry. In terms of this, the use of this countertop into the sink, I find this very beautiful, incorporating that minimalist type of design. Hansgrohe tap fixture and mixer, and then you have this beautiful sort of reveal here giving you that extra functionality to the space. Very large mirror, and above it you have this very beautiful light fixture above, introducing that dramatic feel to this space. Then coming this side, it's very impressive how this grey tile sort of hedges this entire space. And as I've said, it's all about the textures in this entire home. Bringing you here, you have this very large walk-in shower and one of the neatest outlets we've ever seen, using the tile itself as an outlet. Very impressive. Finishing off this bathroom and coming back towards you guys into the main space. As you look up to the ceiling, very interesting detail. Maybe let me take this opportunity to plug our second channel. That is our second channel currently playing on the TV. If you don't know, we do have a second channel called LP Vlogs. It's more about showcasing the behind the scenes of what we do here. So if you haven't yet watched, go ahead and watch. We'll link it up in the corner there. So leading you guys here to this open plan, you have this dining room table, seating for 10. As you seated here enjoying your lovely meal, you have this incredible view in front of you. Ton of natural lighting just flowing into the space. And what I find very cool is this whole joinery console work here. It's a very antique like built to this cabinetry space in a very modernized space. So it's very refreshing and unique having this in this type of setting. I love this detail. So leading you guys to the third bedroom. The next two bedrooms that we're about to see have king size beds, but both of them do flow onto the balcony spaces. But touching on the bathroom first, similar finishes, high quality textured finishes, water closet, large shower with the slit or slither of opening, view, natural lighting to this otherwise very dark area. Beautiful contemporary space here, floating vanity, sink, you have everything here that you really need. And coming back towards you guys, floor finish is timber finish just to warm up the space, and then very cool artwork behind this bed. It also brings across those textures that I've been speaking about. Coming towards you guys, all these artworks throughout the penthouse or this apartment are local artists, which is something that is important to have in this type of home. Flowing back into the living area, you have this great use of space here where you have your towels and you have this beautiful console area. So while you're swimming, you have those accessories there. Bring you guys this side, very luxurious couch setup here. You have this stunning coffee table with this leather finish. It's very impressive, this leather finish, but the quality of it. But bring you guys this side, as I've said, local artist artwork here, and then you have the stunning console and TV above there. But I love this display on materials. You have this white countertop juxtaposed by these lighter timber tones. To my left, you get this wood burner fireplace. In the winter months, this can be a joy to use. And then throughout these spaces, you do have aircon units for those warmer days. And then as you can see above us, you have this LED strip lighting throughout this bulkhead. It's a thin or a very shallow bulkhead that you have throughout this entire penthouse, which is very unique and something that we've never seen before. But as you look up, there are two details which I want to point out. Firstly, you have surround sound in this entire space here, and then as you look up, you have this stunning detail of these timber panels underneath the seat on the underside of the ceiling. Creates a dynamic space as your eyes are automatically being led down the passage. It's a very cool detail which we've never seen before. And then leading to the third and final bedroom. This bedroom here, similar to the one that we just saw, does face the ocean. Waking up here, as you get out of bed, you have this entire view just to soak in and enjoy. Bring you guys aside, either side of this bed, you have these large side tables. Only bedroom with a TV flowing into the walk-in closet. This room has its own entire walk-in closet which stretches the whole length of this side of the room. Plenty of cabinetry space here. I mean, if you're here for a short-term stay, this should be more than enough storage for you. Entering this very beautiful bathroom here, grey tiling throughout this entire bathroom. Difference is with this bathroom, you have two sinks here. This vanity design incorporated into the sink as well. Very seamless, and then on-scroll tab fixture and mixer. Very large mirror here, giving you that illusion of space in this entire bathroom. And to my right, you have this heated towel rail, which if you've used it before, you almost get spoiled and just want to use it more and more and more. And then in front of us, to my left, water closet, and then in front of us, or in front of me rather, we have this very interesting moment here. I was caught off guard because I was looking down and I saw an outlet at the bottom, very neat outlet, and I was wondering why there was an outlet at the bottom. Then I looked up and saw that there was a shower head almost in the middle of the room, which is very impressive. The placement of the shower head is incredible and spot on, because as you're showering here, you can open up these large windows and then you have this entire view of the almost line head, and then you have this entire view of Victoria Road curving around this edge, and then obviously the ocean in front of you. And you do have this very cool modern mixer here behind on screw. All you need to do is turn it to the level of, or temperature rather, that you want, and then you simply just press a button for the water to come out the shower head, which is very cool. Similar thing with the bath, where you twist the nozzle and then you press the button of type of accessory that you'd want the water to come out of. So it's very cool. The placement is perfect, as it allows you to just relax after a long day and just enjoy the sunset this side of town. And then coming towards you guys, one thing that you would have noticed in terms of the bedrooms is that the colors of the palette of the bedrooms is very pale. This was very intentional in order to promote rest and relaxation, whereas in the living areas it's more of those neutral tones which allow you to sort of mimic the beach side or the sandy stretches of beach and sand in Camps Bay. So flowing out here into the outdoor area, floor to ceiling sliding doors which allow that seamless flow from the inside to the outdoor. And then to my right, you have this dining area here with this gas bride, and then on the backdrop you have this open shelving, very cool details, and then you have this dining room table. While you're eating here, you can enjoy these incredible views, having your braai, your barbecue underneath the stars, which is incredible. As you'll see above us, you have this pergola design which allows you to sort of block that harsh sunlight throughout the day. And then in front of us, you have this incredible detail we've never seen before, this 25-meter pool. The scale of this is incredible. I'm not sure whether I can swim this entire length of pool, but the scale here is yeah, I don't know what to say.
Definitely can't go through it in one breath.
Definitely.
But a good try.
And I love this retaining glass that you have throughout the entire boundary of this pool. But as I've said, the scale here is incredible and something that's very impressive. If you are sort of in the interior of the home and you look outside, it almost looks as though the pool is one body of water with the ocean. It's a weird type of illusion that it does have because of the scale. So coming towards you guys, the entire length of this penthouse just shows the scale. But then flowing towards you guys, you do have sun lounges, and you do have your own private sort of lounge, outdoor lounge area, which as well, while you're there, if you have people over, you can be entertaining people, making great use of that space there. This was the second bedroom which we used or we looked at. I mean, it just didn't come out here, but as well, it flows perfectly onto the outdoor area. Very beautiful area, and as we sort of conclude this penthouse, just looking at the entire strength or the entire length of this penthouse and the scale, it's incredible, really. They're coming this side of the outdoor area. You have this private lounge area. As I've said, if you do have guests over, you can sort of be using this space to entertain people while you're sitting here. The views as well that you have are incredible. Sunsets here, sundowns with friends and family are incredible as you look out into the Atlantic Ocean. So just bringing the tour to an end, I'd like to thank you so much for the continuous support that you guys keep on giving us. We see all the comments, we see all the support that you guys are giving us. But before we get out of here, a massive thank you to Knox Property for giving us this opportunity to share their listing with you guys. As I've said before, this is a short-term stay property, so I'll put the booking details down in the description. So from us at Let's Propin to you guys, see you next week.